Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use a glide bait for muskie. To begin, understand that a glide bait is a unique lure, typically weighing between 3 and 8 ounces and measuring 6 to 12 inches long. Its design allows it to dart from side to side with a simple retrieve, imitating a distressed baitfish. This erratic, natural movement is incredibly effective at triggering strikes from large, aggressive muskie. Mastering the retrieve is key to success. Start with a steady retrieve, adding short, sharp twitches of your rod tip. This makes the bait glide left and right. Incorporate pauses of 1 to 3 seconds, allowing the bait to suspend briefly, often when a muskie will strike. Experiment with a walk-the-dog action underwater, keeping your rod tip pointed down and twitching rhythmically. Knowing when and where to cast your glide bait significantly increases your chances. Muskie are often most active in water temperatures ranging from 55 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Concentrate your efforts around key structures like dense weed lines, prominent rock piles, and submerged timber, as these are prime ambush points. Early morning and late evening hours typically offer the best opportunities for a strike. Having the right gear is crucial for handling powerful muskie. Opt for a heavy-action bait-casting rod, typically 7 to 9 feet in length, providing the leverage needed for casting and fighting. Match this with a robust bait-casting reel featuring a reliable drag system. Spool your reel with 80 to 100-pound braided line, and always use a heavy-duty fluorocarbon or wire leader of at least 12 inches to prevent bite-offs.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.